Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue that many of us have faced, toenail fungus. If you're looking for fast and natural solutions, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful content. Let's kick off the journey to healthy toenails. Tea tree oil soak. Our first remedy is a classic, the tea tree oil soak. Tea tree oil is known for its antifungal properties. Add a few drops of tea tree oil to a basin of warm water. Soak your feet for about 15-20 minutes daily. This can help combat the fungus and promote healthier nail growth. Vinegar soak. Next up, we have a vinegar soak. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and warm water in a basin. Soak your affected foot for 15-20 minutes. Vinegar creates an acidic environment that is unfriendly to fungi. Make this a part of your daily routine for optimal results. Baking soda scrub. For our third remedy, try a baking soda scrub. Mix baking soda with water to create a paste. Gently scrub the affected toenail with this paste. Baking soda helps exfoliate and fight the fungus. Rinse thoroughly afterward and repeat a few times a week. Garlic and olive oil application. Garlic makes another appearance, this time combined with olive oil. Crush a garlic clove and mix it with olive oil to create a paste. Apply this mixture to the affected toenail and let it sit for 30 minutes before rinsing. Garlic's antimicrobial properties can work wonders. Coconut oil massage. Last but not least, indulge in a coconut oil massage. Coconut oil is not only moisturizing but also has antifungal properties. Massage a small amount onto the affected toenail and surrounding skin daily. This can help keep the area hydrated and fight off the fungus. Remember, consistency is key when treating toenail fungus naturally. If your condition persists, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. Share your favorite natural remedies in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. Here's to healthy, happy feet.